All right, we're gonna have a little watch here on Randy doing his dog grooming in the desert dog salon. So let's go see what he's doing. So he's setting up his desert dog salon. All ready to roll. And now he's got to try and coax the dog out.
Normally she'd come running.
She knows what's going on.
Come on. She won't get out of the chair. Come. Come here.
Yeah, I know Dennis they've changed his medication, I don't know, 3 or 4 times.
The dog won't get out of the chair.
Nope. She knows what's coming.
She knows exactly what's coming.
Yep.
There she is.
Get up.
Maybe that might be a good thing.
Yeah, a little drugged up. Yeah, you might want to put her inside.
Come here. She's gonna be
Yeah, she's gonna grab.
Yeah. Charlie? No, Charlie. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Now, you can't go in there and bother her.
Try it out.
Charlie, come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this. I want to see if this is the right size. No.
No. That ain't even doing nothing.
We got a couple puffs in there.
Oh, those are actually already in
Oh.
there.
Charlie, come here.
So which one was this? The
We got 3 over here. Well,
Try
I'm gonna get
using
there.
the 1/4 inch is what your head is.
Thick?
That's what I used. That's what I used to shave his head yesterday.
It wasn't very nice.
So they shave Randy's head with the dog clippers.
No. I have human clippers.
That's what you said.
I have human clippers for him. Is that, oh yeah.
There
So
we
which
go.
one is that?
Go ahead.
8
Okay.
1/4, but I've got the things all the way up to the top.
Just like when we used to do the alpacas.
Yep, same idea.
And I said the more knots I get out of her, the easier
Yeah.
it is.
So here we go, folks. Out in Quartzsite in La Posa South. If you want your dog groomed,
Come see me.
you come see Randy at Desert Dog Grooming.
That's pretty cool though that you don't have any hair.
Yeah,
Jamie has one of those, and that's where
Yeah, she clips her dog inside.
yeah.
yeah, that is pretty cool. That look at it, Charlie.
Have you ever
See.
heard of a flow bee? That's what people used to cut. I used to cut my kids' hair with. It had little stacking things on there, and it would suck the hair up inside there. So the more you put on there, the longer the hair could be. And that's put one on there like that, and hook it to a vacuum, and just suck the hair right up.
Yep. We
You
used
stand
that
up.
thing forever until it went out. We couldn't get
Emma's
another.
being pretty calm today.
Huh?
Emma's being pretty
I've never
calm
seen
today
one.
so far.
There's a secret to that.
There's a secret to her being calm.
There's a secret to that.
ever got to empty that canister when you're doing it before she's done, or
Yeah.
Sometimes.
depending how long she is?
Yeah.
But we're cutting it a little shorter than we normally would cut it.
Well,
But I kind of like it this short.
out here in the desert, it won't be so bad. Dirt.
I kind of like it.
You learning, Barbie?
What do you do, Charlie? I mean, as long as she don't bite.
No
She got a
guarantee.
big mouth.
No guarantees.
Roxy's never said anything.
Yeah. She don't need to be clipped now. She
No.
just needs to be
She needs to be bathed.
bathed and stop laying. Well, at least he's on a mat right now. She normally lays in the dirt. Unlike Miss Princess here.
Yeah.
Guess she gonna let me.
Nope.
Easy.
Oh. Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
Get your tongue cut off doing that, girl.
I'm gonna do it around.
Oh, I thought that'd be way big enough for her, but
Too small.
yeah. Didn't think her head was that big around.
Didn't either.
requires some editing. Shorten up. We're at 23 minutes.
You're gonna do her head.
No, I'm gonna do our feet and all that shit before I get up there right here.
So now we're changing gears to the fine tuning.
Yeah.
Trim the hair out of the feet. So for the odd time she gets on the ground, she won't take too much dirt in.
In the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how they do in between their pads.
I've watched several videos, but I can't
He
ever
still
get it.
can't.
They do something with this, and then you stick it down in there. and
Go
you're
on an
supposed to
angle?
rake
You're
it
supposed
out.
to like scoop it.
Oh.
He can get some of it, but he can't get like all of it.
Well, she only goes on the ground for 3 minutes at a time, so it's not like she's going to get a lot of dirt in. Hey, princess.
She's not talking to you. Shut up.
Apparently, she's still sidetracked with Troy.
That's a
Still
good
watching
thing.
Troy?
No,
Yeah.
she's watching
Not now.
Stacy actually. Did they just die? I was about to say, that'd be our luck. Clippers die. The battery died. They probably need to be charged.
Oh, watch you don't step off the table there. She's getting pretty close to the edge.
Your hair needs to be cut around the face.
Man, I'm so stoned.
Look at her.
I know her eyes are half closed.
But she has been a lot easier this time.
Yeah. She actually has not been too bad there. A couple little
Yeah, but
issues.
she's like I said, she's
Her eyes get closed and her head's behind.
Should've did.
Half an inch higher.
Huh?
Video playing out yesterday while she clicked mine, and then
And then did it, yeah. One-stop service. I want to see her do yours with that.
I can do mine. delayed reaction.
Her speed's slowing down a bit. Okay, there's a finished Emma.
Yep.
Pretty girl, all done.
Show
Hey.
me teeth. Show me teeth.
Show your teeth.
Show me teeth. Show me teeth. Look, show me
Nice.
teeth right here.
You gonna show
Show me
teeth?
teeth.
Come on, let's see them.
You see the teeth? That ain't all. There's them teeth.
Yeah, the girl. You happy with your groomer?
No.
No? I don't know. You look pretty good for desert grooming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For somebody that don't know what they do.
So there you go, folks. Desert Dog Grooming Center. Bring them out, line them up. They'll trim them down. Till the next time, that's all.